American sports car revolution, the iconic muscle car that NASA astronauts got to use as their daily drivers. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our M11, the 1964 Corvette Sting Ray. This 1964 restored Corvette has the classic look with the modern performance and drivability that you've come to expect with RestoMods.com. Every detail of this Corvette has been meticulously restored and modified to turn heads on the road as well as the showroom floor. Under the hood, the engine has been upgraded to a ZZ4A high-performance 350 with an LT4 hydraulic cam fed by a Barry Grant BG7500 tri-power system. Not to mention the sound coming off the headman headers. 3-inch pipes and Flowmaster mufflers will let everyone on the road know that you mean business. What? Someone will win this car or 50 grand in cash. So what are you waiting for? Go to RestoMods.com and sign up today.